There are a couple ways to get the 360Penguin app. The first way is by using your phone's QR scanner. On iOS, you simply point your camera at any QR code and it will recognize it. In the box your 360Penguin came in, you'll find a little fold-out booklet that has all the basics written in it. Unfold the booklet. Look for the page titled Downloading App. You'll see 3 QR codes. Find the one that corresponds to your phone operating system. App Store is for iOS phones. After the code is scanned, you'll be taken to the app page in the store. Tap the Install button and the app will be on your phone in seconds. The second way to get the app is directly through the App Store. On your phone, you'll find an icon labeled App Store. Open it. Hit the search button in the bottom right, type in 360Penguin and type search. You'll see our 360Penguin app. Tap Get. Let it download and install. Tap Open. You're all set.